also have a question for you, Mohammed. Quite recently, I shared a taxi with an Omani woman, and the taxi driver, as is usually the case when I ride a taxi here, they're curious about my nationality. So he was trying to ask me where I was from. So he got as far as, where are you? And the woman said, so he looks at her, he looks at me, then he tries again. He says, where are you from? And she went, so he shut up. So I'm curious, what does mean and what does...
Yeah, the first, that's mean, no, stop. The second one, that's mean, shut your mouth. That's all.
Okay.
You can't say anything more.
So that's good to know when we're visiting. So it's a negative thing. It's not good when someone does that to you. Okay. So that was it for the little Q&A session. So now, Mohammed, we can speak about the 3 traditional art forms.
Yeah.
So just to impress upon you guys how important they are, they even have the attention of UNESCO. So the first one, Mohammed, is a Taroda, correct?
Taroda, yeah.
And that has to do with the camels in the desert.
Yeah, they can do it with camels. If a group of people meet each other, they can do it in small groups. It's like a sound, something, say it like a poetry. They say something's beautiful, they are happy, sometimes they are dancing. So Taroda, especially you will find it in Sharqiya, Batna, sometime in Dhahra. So we have some places to do it.
Okay. And the second one is supposed to be music.
Which one?
The Ayalala, I believe.
Yola.
Yes.
Yeah.
So please tell us about that one.
Yeah, Yola is kind of dancing. Sometimes do it in a group, sometimes do it separate. They are dancing with some music, some poetry also. It's kind of art. We have it before a lot of times.
So how old is this art form?
Actually, all these, I think it's before 100.
More than 100 years
Yeah.
old. Okay.
It's a very old art, but it's very good, very beautiful art.
So both of them involves both poetry and words.
Yeah, and sometimes with the music.
So what kind of music instruments are used for these art forms, Mohammed?
It's depend to the persons, depend to the people which kind of music they want.
So are they set like some cultures the drums play a big role, or some the string instruments? What kind of instruments usually are used?
They can't change anything.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's depend to them.
Oh, okay. And then the third form is Alazi, correct?
Alazi, yes, Alazi.
So please tell us about the Alazi.
In my opinion, Alazi is the best one. I like it too much.
Why do you think it's the best one?
Because I'm from Dakhiliya.
Oh, that's originated.
Yeah, Alazi starts from Dakhiliya. It's very nice art, very, very nice art. UNESCO leave it in our traditional things in 60th December, I think.
Oh, last year?
Last year. So it's very good things for us, for Oman actually, because UNESCO saved it for us for Omani traditional.
So what makes it so special?
Yeah, because we have it from a lot of times. We do it in a lot of party, a lot of celebrations.
So usually for good times, happy occasions.
Yes. Some person use it if they get married or something.
Or for weddings too.
Yeah. Blaz is good things. We have a group. The first group we have a person who will say the poetry.
So as the leader of the...
Yeah, the group. He will be the leader. He will say some things. The group say after them. Like we actually sometimes visit when we need to say something for Sultan Qaboos, or if we have a party, as I say, we say some different words. They wrote Dasha, Musar, and some of them have snake, some of them have guns. That's depend which one we need. Some of them have swords, so they will choose which the best one for them, which is the best one for that celebration, and they will do it.
So at what age, Mohammed, do boys learn these traditional art forms?
Yeah, actually the children can do it, but not professionally.
Sure.
Just to have fun or to learn how they can do it.
Yeah.
But especially that will be after 20 or 20 after 20.
So after age 20, they're more professional.
Yeah, because they can understand the movement, they can understand the word, what time they will start, what time they will like us.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So, Mohammed, you said that you were going to share a few words with us in Arabic about the Al-Azi.
Al-Azi, yeah.
So, please go ahead.
Yeah, I will give you an example for Al-Azi for some words. They will start actually say some things for my God, for Allah, like Alhamdulillah, Alladhi, like this. After that, they will start to say something about our country, like اللي احتمى بحماكي ما يهان, like this.
So what does that mean?
That's mean if anyone came to Oman, no one can do anything, any bad things for them. They will respect him. Sometimes if we need to say something for our Sultan Qaboos, we will say المجد لك سلطاننا سلطان عمان. That mean we are serve you. You are like our guides in Oman. You are our leader.
So you're loyal to the Sultan?
Yes, of course, yes.
Oh, very good.
So it's very nice art.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So thanks so much for sharing with us.
You are welcome.
Is there anything else you'd like to add about your wonderful country and culture?
Yeah, actually I need to say Oman is a very beautiful country. They can visit us anytime. We are here just because it's very, very nice country. So anytime you can visit Oman in any time.
Okay.
You have a lot of things to see it.
Wonderful.
And a lot of things to visit.
Yes, and I agree. I can agree with that. So
Thank you.
we're going to leave you now with some wonderful traditional Omani music. So thank you for tuning in. Next week, my guest will be Esma from Egypt. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful week. Wherever your travels may take you, may they be safe and enjoyable. Goodbye.
Bye.
يا ملك في الأرض ما بين البشر في ديارك عز ما فيها طبيع. يا ملك في الأرض ما بين البشر في ديارك عز ما فيها طبيع. ومن سهم جريع يا ملك في الأرض ما بين البشر في ديارك عز ما فيها طبيع. يا ملك في الأرض ما بين البشر في ديارك عز ما فيها طبيع. ومن سهم جريع يا ملك في الأرض ما بين البشر في ديارك عز ما فيها طبيع. يا ملك في الأرض ما بين البشر في ديارك عز ما فيها طبيع. وبسهم جريع صاب سهمه وسط قلبي قد عبر في بحور العشق ما حد مستريع. صاب سهمه وسط قلبي قد عبر في بحور العشق ما حد مستريع. وبسهم جريع صاب سهمه وسط قلبي قد عبر في بحور العشق ما حد مستريع. صاب سهمه وسط قلبي قد عبر في بحور العشق ما حد مستريع. ومن سهمه جريع مثل ليلي في هواجيس افتكر ذهل الانشاع ام كوكب صحيح. مثل ليلي في هواجيس افتكر ذهل الانشاع ام كوكب صحيح. ومن سهم جريع نظرة الغزلان رعشه كل وتر يرتعش جسمك كما طفل يصيح. نظرة الغزلان رعشه كل وتر يرتعش جسمك كما طفل يصيح. ومن سهم جريع نظرة